When I started web development and built plenty of projects, I realized something. Resume building alone isn't enough to truly showcase your work. Some people told me, if you are a web developer, you need your own personal portfolio. So I said, okay, let's build this then. I searched through multiple platforms looking for themes to base on my portfolio on. But most of them were repetitive and typical, main designed with photo, name and some text, and some were just extremely ordinary. I thought, let's build something near to ordinary. I scrolled through multiple websites, even did some scrapping with GPT, but didn't find a great idea. Then one day, while working in VS Code, it hit me. What if I build my portfolio in VS Code theme design? To validate the idea, I searched online, and guess what? There wasn't a single portfolio. That was the point. I decided.
Nice.
This is the homepage, designed to replicate the VS Code editor. It has a functional sidebar, top tab, navigation, and collapsible sections. So it feels like you are actually inside a code editor while exploring my portfolio. Dynamic about page, where I can instantly update content from my admin panel. Project page with the responsive cards and dedicated detail pages showing workflows, tech stacks, GitHub links, live demos and screenshots. Contact page with platform links and direct messaging. An AI assistant named Kaira inside the terminal UI, which can answer questions about me. Voice chat support in Kaira. Ask me questions via voice and get voice responses only. Admin panel that's secure, animated and responsive. Built-in theme switching for multiple VS Code-style color schemes. Smooth animation for that polished realistic feel. I am going to be adding live chat support and integrated resume builder that can directly edit my PDF resume from an admin panel without re-uploading, and even integrated IDE with multiple programming language support. I know it's a lot, but that's the point. I want to push my skills, take this project to next level. I have a SaaS project called BoardShare, a collaborative platform with integrated handwriting detection and mathematical calculation solver. If you want a tutorial on that too, let me know in the comments. So that's my VS Code theme portfolio, born from my random idea in my code editor, now feature packed project that keeps growing. If you like this, drop a like, subscribe for more. Let me know your thoughts below. See you in next one.